Listen carefully, my dear students. Today we are going to conduct the program of asking 50 questions at once. To ask 50 questions at once is not an easy task, but it's wonderful that our 8th class students have done well, mashallah. They memorize and practice 50 questions and they are going to conduct before you. Clap for them, Lord. 50 questions continuously is going to be asked by Mr. Aliyan and Tausif. Please come here and ask the 50 questions.
When do you get up in the morning?
I get up at 7 o'clock.
What do you take in the breakfast?
I have eggs and milk for breakfast.
How do you go to school?
I go to school on foot.
Which period do you enjoy most?
I like English and math very much.
How many languages can you speak?
I can speak a total of 4 languages.
Which languages are you learning nowadays?
I am currently learning English because I am weak in that too. I will have to learn more languages.
Which languages are you fond of speaking?
I am good at speaking English.
Can you speak English fluently?
Yes, I can speak English fluently.
Who teaches you English?
My name is Sirish Chansar.
How long do you study at home?
I study at home for 2 hours.
What are you doing to command over English?
To improve my command over English, I memorize tenses and do daily reading.
How can we command over English?
By listen English 5 to 10 minutes every day by reading English 5 to 10 minutes.
Are you perfect in grammar?
No, but I am trying to be perfect. I have practiced tenses, etc.
How much time do you practice English?
I give total 1 hour to English.
Who helps study?
My teachers, my friends and my parents help me in my study.
How do you improve your vocabulary of English?
Finding synonyms, antonyms and reading stories and newspaper.
Have you practiced tenses?
Yes, I have.
Do you read books?
Yes, I do.
Which grammar have you learned up to?
I have learned all 3 grammars.
How many books did you read till now?
I read 2 books so far.
Are you interested in funny stories?
Yes, I like funny stories.
Which is your religion?
My religion is Islam.
What do you want to become in future?
I want to be a pilot in the future.
Why do you want to be?
I have a dream.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I have friends.
Are your friends interested in reading books?
Yes, my friend also read books.
Do you share your books with each other?
Yes, we share. Books with each other.
Which work do you enjoy most?
I like read stories.
What kind of discussion do you do with your friend?
We do fun things.
Do discussion about Islam education?
Yes, we talk about Islam religion as well.
Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I enjoy traveling.
Which places have you visited?
I visited Aurangabad, Chikaldara, Nanded and many other places.
What did you see there?
I saw there it is a very clean place and it is a hill station.
Which place will you go to visit?
I don't any plan right now, but in the future, first place is Makkah and Medina.
Do you love your family?
Yes, I do.
How many members there are in your family?
There are 5 members in my family.
How many brothers do you have?
I have 2 brothers.
How many sisters do you have?
I have 1 sister.
Which is your closest person in your family?
The closest person in my family is my mother.
Which quality do you find in yourself?
I have the talent to play cricket.
What good habit do you have?
The good habits, I wake up early in the morning.
What bad habit do you have?
The bad habits, I don't listen anyone.
Which bad habit do you have want to erase?
I want to all bad habits erase.
Are you happy with life?
Yes, I am happy with my life.
What are you doing to make your life happy?
To happy my life, I am working hard.
Do you follow the rules of Islam?
Yes, I am follow the rules of Islam.
What do you want to do for parents?
I want to be a good son of my parents.
Will you fulfill their dreams?
I will.
Are you obedient for parents?
Yes, I am.
MashaAllah, clap for them, Lord. You have done wonderful job. MashaAllah. Fantastic, marvelous. Next, Maria and Rafia are coming to ask question in English. Clap for them, Lord.
When do you get up in the morning?
I get up early in the morning.
What do you take in your breakfast?
For breakfast, I like to have a healthy smoothie with fruits, oats and almond milk.
How do you go to school?
I prefer going to school by auto as it is quick and easy.
Which period do you enjoy most?
I enjoy the English period the most because I love reading and writing.
How many languages can you speak?
I can speak several languages including English, Hindi and a bit of Marathi.
Which language are you learning nowadays?
I am currently learning English to improve my communication skills.
Which language are you fond of speaking?
I am particularly fond of speaking English because it feels natural to me.
Can you speak English fluently?
I can understand and speak English quite fluently because I use it a lot at school and home.
Who teaches you English?
Shansha teaches English.
How long time do you study at home?
I spend around 1 to 2 hours studying at home depending on the homework.
What are you reading to command over English?
I am reading books, listening to English podcasts, practicing speaking with my friends.
How can we command over English?
I study English whenever I get free time, usually for 30 to 60 minutes.
Are you perfect in grammar?
I am not perfect in grammar, but I continue to practice and get better.
How much time do you practice English?
I practice English for an hour every day.
Who helps you in study?
There are many people who help me in my studies, such as my teacher, friend, and family.
How do you improve your vocabulary of English?
I improve my vocabulary of English by reading English book, newspaper, and magazines.
Have you practiced tense tense?
Yes, I have.
Which grammar have you learned up to?
I have learned up to tenses and parts of speech.
Do you read books?
Yes, I do.
How many books did you read till now?
There are many books which I have read, such as Ali Baba Ke Chare Store and Brave Girl.
Are you interested in reading books?
Yes, I am interested in reading books.
Are you interested in funny stories?
Yes, I am interested in funny stories.
Which religion do you belong?
I belong to Islam.
What do you want to be in your future?
I want to become a government lawyer in future
Why do you want to be?
because it is my parents' dream.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I have.
Are your friends interested in reading books?
Yes, my friend interested in reading books.
Do you share your books in each other?
Yes, I share my books with others when they want to read them.
Which work do you enjoy most?
I enjoy most traveling with my family.
What kind of discussion do you do with your friends?
I am discussing goals, dreams, and stories about family.
Do they discuss about Islam and education?
Yes, many friends might discuss topics like Islam and education depending on their personal interest, value, or background.
Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I enjoy.
Which places have you go to visited?
I have visited Aurangabad, Mumbai, and Nagpur.
What did you see there?
I saw Bibi Ka Maqbara and Ellora in Aurangabad.
Which place will you go to visit?
I will go to visit Makkah and Medina, inshallah.
Whom will you go with?
I will go with my parents.
Do you love your family?
Yes, I love my family very much.
How many members are there in your family?
There are 5 members in my family.
How many brothers do you have?
I have 4 brothers.
How many sisters do you have?
I have 2 sisters.
Who is closest person to you in your family?
The closest person to me in my family, my sister.
Which qualities do you find in yourself?
Hard work, honesty, and composition help in our growth. Self-confidence, patience, and positive thinking help us challenge and adopt to change.
What bad habit do you have?
I have bad habits like staying up late and eating junk food.
What good habit do you have?
I have good habits like time management and stay positive.
Which bad habit do you want to erase from you?
I want to erase my bad habits like eating junk food as well as negative thinking.
Are you happy with your life?
I am happy with my life, working towards my goals, learning from challenge. I am grateful for my loved ones and the things that bring me joy.
What are you doing to make your life happy?
To make my life happy, I focus on my goal, stay positive, spend time with my loved ones and take care of myself.
Do you follow the rules of Islam?
Yes, I follow the principles of Islam like praying, fasting and being kind to strangers that my fight and please Allah.
What do you want to do for your parents?
I want to make my parents proud by working hard, being respectful and taking care of them.
Will you fulfill their dreams?
Yes, I will do my best to fulfill my parents' dream working hard and making them proud.
Will you fulfill their dreams?
Yes, I will do my best to fulfill my parents' dream like hard work and making them proud.
Are you obedient of your parents?
I trust my parents and I always follow their advice. Their guidance is most important for me. I respect their decisions.
MashaAllah, clap for them, Lord. जोरदार तालियां. Next, who are coming? Zunera and Hania. Clap for them, Lord.
When do you get up in the morning?
I get up at 6:30 in the morning.
What do you take in the breakfast?
I take tea and toast only for my breakfast.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by the walk.
Which period do you enjoy most?
I enjoy Urdu and English period.
How many languages can you speak?
I can 2 languages in speak.
Which language are you learning nowadays?
I learn English language nowadays.
Which language are you fond of speaking?
I am Urdu and English language fond of speaking.
Can you speak English fluently?
Yes, I can.
Who teaches you in English?
Shanza teaches English.
How long do you study at home?
I study 2 times.
What are you doing to command our English?
I do in perfect English by the writing and speaking skills.
How can we command our English?
I can writing and learning by the command word English.
How much time do you practice English?
I am practice 2 hours.
Who helps you study?
My parents and my teacher helps for my study.
How do you improve your vocabulary of English?
I am parts of speech and synonyms by the vocabulary of English.
Have you practiced tenses?
Yes, I have.
Which grammar have you learned up to?
I am practice grammar. I am practice tenses and synonyms.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read.
How many did you read books till now?
I read many more books till now.
Have you friends?
Yes, I have.
Are you interested in funny stories?
Yes, I am.
Are you friend? Have you friend?
Yes, I have.
Are you friend interested in reading books?
Yes.
Do you share book each other?
Yes, I do.
Which work do you enjoy most?
I enjoy reading books.
What kind of discussion do you do with your friend?
I am discuss about Islamic topics for my friends.
Do they discuss about Islam and education?
I am discuss about Islam and education.
Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes.
Which places have you visited?
I have visited to Aurangabad.
What did you see there?
I saw there in museum.
Which place will you visit?
Inshallah, I will go to visit to Makkah and Medina.
Will you go with?
I will go with my parents.
Do you love your family?
Yes, I love for my family.
How many members are there?
I have 5 members for my family.
How many brothers do you have?
I have 2 brothers.
How many sisters do you have? Are you happy with your life?
Yes, I am happy.
चलो वेरी गुड, जोरदार तालियां.